Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got a package of boneless chicken thighs. If we flip this over, you can see that there's plenty of fat that needs to be removed. Just scrape the edge with your knife and trim away the fat from each end of the chicken thigh. Then you want to flip them over and make sure that all the bone has been removed, and cut that out if it hasn't. Now I'm going to add some cumin to some water, a bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of turmeric, garlic and onion powder, some olive oil, a squeeze of fish sauce, salt and pepper, and some ground Mexican oregano. Give this a quick whisk and pour this straight over all of the chicken thighs in a large bowl. You want to make sure everything is pressed under the liquid here and sits and marinates for the next half hour. Now in the last video recipe, I showed you how to make Fire Roasted Salsa, and I'm going to add that here to some sour cream and mayonnaise. It's going to make my secret sauce. Just want to whisk these three ingredients together until it's nice and smooth. Now out on the grill, over medium heat, we're going to start dropping down that chicken. If I were to guess, I'm hitting about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I spend about 20 minutes cooking. The important thing, of course, is to make sure you cook this all the way through and hit that core temperature of about 165. I flip these over back and forth about every 5 minutes. Other than that, there's really nothing to it. Just as long as you're aware of your hot spots on the grill, you shouldn't overcook or burn your chicken. And it's always a good idea to drop your lid between flips. In the meantime, grate some Monterey and Colby Jack cheese. When it comes to tortillas, I like to use an extra large burrito-sized tortilla. As you can see, they're much larger than my hand, and they make a super-sized quesadilla. Now checking back on the grill, the chicken should be about done, but I like to give it one last flip to be sure. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I really got gypped on this puny little piece. Oh well. This is what it should look like when you're done. As you can see here, we've got some nice grill marks, some great color. So we'll go ahead and remove all of these from the grill. Don't forget to clean those grates. Make them nice and purty. So as you can see, our grilled chicken doesn't look too shabby. And you always want to cut your slices cross-grained so it's nice and tender when you bite into it. But one thigh is not going to be enough for this quesadilla. And as you can see here, it's cooked perfectly all the way through. Now let's go ahead and put it together. Butter all over the outside of this tortilla. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be everywhere. Flip it over onto a plate. Now add the secret sauce on half of the tortilla. Then add the Monterey Jack cheese, followed by the sliced chicken, and you want to spread that out fairly evenly, and top it with the Colby Jack cheese. Then fold it in half. Now if you want, you can take it back out on the grill, but it takes forever to cook this way. Sure, you can get those nice panini looking grill marks on there, but those hot spots will cook it unevenly, and you have to constantly juggle it around on the grill to try to keep it from happening. So instead, I would highly recommend cooking this in a skillet. The color and crisp comes out more evenly. And once you get it all cut up, I think that you'll find that the results are fantastic. doesn't get much better than this. Just serve with more salsa. And there you have it. Grilled Chicken Jack Quesadilla right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.